Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best MamoPay plus other payment gateway. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about MamoPay. MamoPay is great for small business, combining payment, expense management and corporate cards in one platform. It supports multiple currency, recurring payment and flexible payout, which is ideal for freelancers and moderate volume business owners. However, established gateways like Stream, PayPal, or Flutterwave offer a better reliability, transparent fee, and stronger regulatory protections, which make them safer for high volume or international transaction. And if this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more payment gateway tips, and comment which one you would like to choose first. And that's it.